One type of content you can do on YouTube is to record your computer screen with the audio from your microphone, your webcam, teaching people how to do a certain thing on your computer, such as software tutorial, how to DIY, stuff like that. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use EaseUs RecExperts. This is a good screen recorder you can use to make software tutorial or how-to video on YouTube, like what I'm doing right now. And being mentioned that this video is sponsored by EaseUs RecExperts. They give me a license to test the software. But if you want to purchase the license of the software, you can use my 20% discount to save your money. Alright, so let's go to my computer screen. Okay, so first thing first, I will show you how to download the software. So this is the main website of EaseUs RecExperts. And they have many software here, data recovery, partition manager, and stuff like that. So you need to go to multimedia and select RecExpert, and they have for Windows and Mac OS, so you can select anything. Okay, just click here to select the screen recorder, and they are offering 70% off for Christmas, so you can try it. Okay, and if you want to download it, you can just click this button. And currently I'm using the screen recorder to record this tutorial. Okay, I can highlight it on the screen. Like if you want to download it, you want to click here. Okay, and if you want to check the pricing plan, you can click here. So it has an annotation tool for you to annotate on the screen. You can press F7 to turn on and off the annotation tool. Okay, for the price they have $12, $20 for monthly plan and yearly plan and lifetime plan. So they offer me this one. This one is the lifetime plan. You can purchase this one and use my 20% discount coupon code. So it could be 50 or stuff like that, $50 or stuff like that. Okay, and let's go back to the home page, and you can click here to download the software and install it on your computer. By the way, I already have it on my computer. So now I will open the software and show you how to use it, because there's some interesting feature in the software that you will not find on other screen recorder. Okay, and now I'm opening the program. It is EaseUs RecExperts Record Your Life. Okay, and this is the recording toolbar, and there's something here you want to know. First thing first, on the left side of the screen, you have the screen area or record screen. So this is the place where you can select record full screen or region or window. So if you select full screen, it will record everything on your computer. And if you want to select a certain region on your screen, you can do it also. Select the region tab here, and then you can draw a square box like this to start recording. And be mentioned that you can move this box or resize it. Okay, so easily like this. By the way, normally I will do full screen, and you can also select a certain window on your computer also. So I will go back to full screen here. Just click full screen. So this is the area where you can select a screen or a recording area on your screen. Okay, and down here you have that option to record audio only. So you want to select audio, and there will be audio from your microphone and system sound. So we is the audio from your computer. And down here you have a record game button. If you play game, and you can also record your webcam together with the screen with audio from your microphone, like doing live streaming and stuff like that. It's okay. Also record game. And if you want to record just your webcam, you can do it right here. Okay, and being mentioned that currently I'm using the webcam on my laptop because it is not a good one, because I'm using this one for the main tutorial. Okay, by the way, this is a webcam. I can turn it off right now, and let's go back to record screen. So this is what I normally do when I want to create a software tutorial. Okay, so at the record screen we will select full screen, and on the right side there are some options for the webcam, system sound, and microphone. For the webcam, you can click this menu to enable or disable recording webcam, and you can also go to setting for more information about your webcam. You can change the resolution and position and shape and opacity of the webcam also. For example, this is the webcam. So here we have the webcam, and for the resolution it is HD. And for the position of the webcam, you can select it right here also. Bottom right, bottom left, and middle, and custom. So we can go with bottom right. So it will be here at this area. By the way, we can change it to middle and bottom left and custom, stuff like that. So we can go to custom, and when you start the screen recording, it will be floating here on the screen. But when you select it bottom right, it will be here at this corner. Okay. And for the display shape, we can change to rectangle instead of circle like this. So circle and rectangle like this, you can select any shape. Okay. Circle, go to circle, and you can reduce the opacity of the webcam also. Okay, so this is 100% and it is 0, meaning that you don't have the webcam on your screen. Okay, and down here you have some option for rotation and flipping the webcam. I can horizontal flip here and vertical flip here, horizontal flip and vertical flip, stuff like that, and I can rotate 90 degrees, stuff like that. Okay, so this is for the webcam, and I can click OK to move it to the bottom right. So it will be at the bottom right of my screen. And next up is the system sound. You can click this menu to enable and disable the system sound, and you have some more option for the audio. By the way, you have the same option here at the microphone also. And for the microphone, you can also disable and enable recording from your microphone. And we have some more option here for the Pro version. You purchase a Pro version of the software, you have microphone boost and microphone noise reduction. So it is right inside the software. Okay, and this is advanced option, which is similar to the advanced option at the system sound. So you can click here at the advanced option, and you have an option to select your microphone, go to setting and sound check, and also enable and disable noise reduction or microphone boost right here. Okay, you can also test the microphone. Sound check for the system sound and microphone is right here. Okay, by the way, I'm going to click OK. So that is for the recording option, but you have some more option here. With this screen recorder, you can add watermark to your screen video like text or image. If you want to do so, you want to click here at the watermark and then manage. It will open a new window, so it has picture watermark or text watermark. You want to add picture, you want to click here and then add picture. You want to add a text watermark, you can click a text. For example, I type my name and I can change the fonts and the size, and I can move the position also. I can enable the stroke and the background or the outline and the background of the text also. And I can click here, save and apply. So this is the way to protect your video or your screen video, to protect from bad guys on the internet. Okay, just click here, click save and apply. And you can also split your screen recording into different duration or file size also with the auto split option. Just click here and you have two options. The first option is to record time reach minute, and it could be 60 minutes, 40 minutes, stuff like that, but you need to enable it first. So enable it right here, and I can select minute, and then I can select 30 minutes or stuff like that. So after 30 minutes, it will save one file, and then it will do the recording again, and after 30 minutes, it will save one file. And you can also select the file size here. So 500 megabyte or 300 megabyte, you can change it. Okay, and for the split plan, it could be only this time or always, so it's up to you. Okay, but for me, I think I don't need this option, so I will disable it right now. Apply, and you have an option to stop the screen recording automatically also with the auto stop option, and it is the same. We have time limit and size limit here, and you need to enable it. And we have stop recording at certain date and time, and recording time and file size. So we have three options here. And for the stop plan, we can do nothing or turn off our computer or sleep our computer. Yep, exit or exit the program, sleep and shut down. Okay, but for me, I also don't need this option, so I can disable it and apply. And the last one is the task scheduler, but to be honest, I never use this one because I just record my computer screen to make software tutorial, so it will take about 1 hour, 2 hours to do the screen recording, and after that I edit my video, so I never use the task scheduler. By the way, if you want to repeatedly record your computer screen on daily basis or weekly basis, you can do it here, task scheduler. Okay, so it has a task list here and add a new task. So you have task name, repeat only this time, daily or weekly, and start time, end task, and recording area. full screen or region or window, and audio input system sound or microphone. Okay, and you can click OK. By the way, I will not use it, so I will click cancel. Okay, so now everything is okay. You can click this button to start screen recording. Okay, so I will start screen recording and show you the annotation tool also. Okay. To take a screenshot on the screen also. Okay, and now I will there will be countdown here. Hello everyone, this is Jacky and we are doing a screen recording using RecExperts. Okay, and we can turn on and off this one. So this is the annotation tool you can see on the screen. Maybe you can see on the screen or maybe not, but this is I can use. For example, I can draw a circle here and change the color to red. If you want to buy it, you can draw a circle like this. Okay, so it is very convenient for you to annotate on the screen, and you can also draw an arrow like clicking here. In order to stop the screen recording, I can okay, because I can press the nice, right? Key, but and you can also take a screenshot on the screen. Okay, click this button to take a screenshot on the screen also. So I think it is very convenient, especially this annotation tools. You do the live stream or you want to start a screen recording, and you can add text and add arrow, draw a line, add arrow, and highlight. You can highlight this. Very nice. Okay, and now I will stop the screen recording and show you another window. In order to stop the screen recording, I can find it right here. Okay, because I can press the shortcut key, but I am using another screen recorder, so maybe it will stop my screen recording. So I can just double click here to stop, or I can just click here. I'm sorry, not double click. Okay, and you have a new window. So this is your video RecExperts. And you see that you have a watermark here at the right side, and you have your webcam here, and on the right side is the area where you can find your screen recording, your video, audio, and screenshot. So it will be here. By the way, if you want to locate it on your computer, you can just right click here and open file location. Okay, just open file location and you will see it on your computer. So these are all the screen recording and screenshot I did with this software. Okay, added to that, you can also edit the video, like trim the video at the end and the beginning, and you can add opening title and ending title also. Okay, you want to click at the edit button and trim and AI assistant, compress. You can extract the audio and add an opening title and closing credit also. So it will be the same as the video editor. By the way, it is a lot basic one. Okay, for example, this is the title. I can type it Jacky Nguyen and software reviewer. Okay, stuff like that. So this is the opening title, and for the closing title, I can say thank you, I love you guys, or subscribe. Okay, so stuff like that. I can click OK. So that is for some editing tool, and we need to export after we add a title or add a text. So it could be a screen recording. If you want to use it directly, you can do it. But if you want to add a title or you want to trim it, you need to re-export. So I will click here, export. It will export the video and save it to my computer. Okay, I can click cancel. And you can click here at the edit button. So you have an option to trim the video. Just click here, trim. And then you can just drag the beginning and drag the end to trim your video, and you can click save, and again it will need to export the video. Okay, and on the right side you have an option to take a screenshot on the screen, change the playback speed, adjust the volume, and go full screen. And on the right side you have some more buttons to manage your files and folder. Alright, so that's everything you want to know about EaseUs RecExperts screen recorder. If you like the software, just go ahead to the link in the description to download and try it. If you have any questions, just let me know at the comment section below. And if you are new here, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye. Okay, and we are doing a screen recording using RecExperts. Okay, and we can turn on and off this one. So this is the annotation tool you can see on the screen. Maybe you can see on the screen or maybe not, but this is I can use. For example, I can draw a circle here and change the color to red. If you want to buy it, you can draw a circle like this. Okay, so it is very convenient for you to annotate on the screen. And you can also draw an arrow, like clicking here. Okay, nice, right? And you can also take a screenshot on the screen. Okay, click this button to take a screenshot on the screen also. So I think it is very convenient, especially this annotation tools. You do the live stream, or you want to start a screen recording, and you can add text and add arrow, draw a line, add arrow, and highlight. You can highlight this. Very nice. Okay, and now I will stop the screen recording to show you the result toolbar, or the result. Okay, and now I will stop the screen recording and show you another window. Okay, in order to stop, I can find it right here. In order to stop the screen recording, I can find it right here. Okay, because I can press the shortcut key, but I am using another screen recorder, so maybe it will stop my screen recording. So I can just double stop my screen recording, so I can